So let's talk about technology in each of these three spaces. Let's talk about consumption. So is UPI the most glaring example of consumption tech, or are there other things that you think?
Nothing comes close to UPI now.
Sure.
Because the scale at which it was implemented, again, the reason why UPI came is because of the underlying layer, which is Aadhaar in a way, because now you have a digital identity, you have a bank account. Now I can introduce a second layer on it, where now I can transfer money to you as a direct benefit transfer, from the government. So I think nowhere, anywhere in the world, the direct benefit transfer from the government was at this scale as India. Now, once you have direct benefit transfer, then that's when UPI comes into picture. So UPI really scales up at that stage. So I create a bank account to you, then you start using your amount, and I can observe your consumption, I can observe your savings. Now, there are a lot of people who would like to observe the same information, and for that, data portability becomes a crucial part. And that's when UPI chips in. And once it comes in, then the industry grows, the ecosystem grows. Like if I'm doing one transaction with SBI right now, behind SBI, invariably there'll be at least 100 FinTech companies operating.
What are all those different value add points?
Yeah, so there are so many layers. So for example, at the core layer, you have a bank or financial service provider. Then on top of that, you have companies who are like banking as a service model. Okay. Like for example, Infosys, Finacle is a model. Now you have a company that is specialized in APIs. And you have some companies which are account aggregators, which are non-banking finance companies. Then you have a tech stack itself, like UPI itself is a tech stack connected to the banks. Then you have someone like a CIBIL who provides information about your credit scores. Then you have a NeoBank, which can take over some of your functions, like underwriting process. You don't do it; they do it for you. So they tell you whether to give a loan or not based on soft information that you trust, right? On top of that, you have so many other layers of companies, which act in sync with each other. Like a simple a transaction at SBI right now is connected to 100 odd fintech companies.